Hello, viewers. Today we will know about the salary and scope of digital marketing jobs in Canada. If you are a digital marketer, it's necessary to know about it. So let's start. Salary for a digital marketer. A digital marketer with 3 years of experience and a bachelor's degree can expect to make an average of $53,872 Canadian dollars per year. In comparison, a digital marketing specialist with 5-6 years of experience and a master's degree can expect to earn an average of $57,550 Canadian dollars per year. If you are a college student or recent graduate, you may be eligible for government student loan forgiveness on up to $50,000 in student debt if your student debt is primarily for an approved educational purpose. There are several requirements you must meet in order to qualify for this loan forgiveness. The experience you need to get a job in the digital marketing sector. Marketing analytics. Marketing analytics is the process of analyzing data about marketing campaigns and other marketing activities to determine which ones are working and which ones are not. Marketing analytics can be used to determine whether a particular marketing strategy is effective or not, to help gauge the effectiveness of a marketing campaign, or to determine which strategies should be replicated in the future. First-time job seekers and experienced marketers make similar salaries, at around 51,000 Canadian dollars. The lowest paid marketing analysts are paid between 35,000 Canadian dollars and 40,000 Canadian dollars per year, and the highest paid are paid between 70,000 Canadian dollars and 80,000 Canadian dollars per year. Marketing analytics is a subset of marketing research, and is also related to marketing operations research, which focuses on optimization. Content marketer. We have found that content marketing managers earn between $50,000 and $80,000 per year. The term content marketing has been used in many ways to describe the marketing approach of creating and sharing valuable content that is relevant and useful to your audience. Content marketing is not just limited to blogs and websites, it can also include video, social media, email, and other forms of digital media. SEO specialist. The average salary for SEOs in the United States is $41,878. If you want to be successful at SEO, you have to learn from the best. You have to figure out what they are doing and then do it yourself. It might take some time before you get results, but if you keep at it, you will succeed. Social media manager. A good social media manager will have a wide knowledge of different social media platforms, and be able to use that knowledge to effectively engage with your audience. PayScale's median salary estimate is 45,000 Canadian dollars based on the 3,097 jobs available in Canada. The scope of digital marketing jobs in Canada. Canada has also become a global leader in digital marketing. In the past, only US and UK were considered to be leaders in digital marketing. But now, Canada is a leading country in digital marketing. This can be attributed to the fact that Canada has a lot of digital marketing experts. Canada is also one of the leading countries in terms of internet usage. Canada is second only to US in terms of internet usage. In fact, Canada has a higher percentage of internet users than US. The internet penetration rate in Canada is about 90%. So we know about some digital marketer salary ideas on this video. Hope it will help you. For more informative video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.